Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Euler HiLoad EV Cargo Auto Rickshaw. This is one of the most promising electric three-wheelers in the cargo transport segment, designed to offer high load capacity, efficient performance, and zero emissions. Let's break down everything about this EV under exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and finally, my conclusion. Exterior. The 2025 Euler HiLoad EV Cargo is built with practicality in mind, yet it carries a strong modern presence. The front fascia features a compact yet rugged design with a wide windscreen for maximum visibility. The headlights are large and positioned to offer bright illumination during late-night cargo operations. The body panels are made from high-strength materials, designed to withstand the wear and tear of commercial use. The rear cargo bay is larger than most in its category, designed to handle heavy payloads with ease. Its aerodynamic yet sturdy frame ensures better efficiency and durability, while the bold Euler badging and clean design make it stand out in the growing EV cargo segment. Interior. Inside, the HiLoad EV Cargo focuses on driver comfort and utility. The cabin is spacious for a three-wheeler, with ergonomic seating that reduces fatigue during long working hours. The dashboard is minimal but functional, featuring a digital instrument cluster that displays speed, battery status, range, and essential alerts. There are well-placed controls for ease of use, and storage compartments allow drivers to keep documents or essentials handy. The seating position provides a commanding view of the road, and improved legroom makes it more comfortable compared to traditional ICE cargo rickshaws. Performance. Performance is where the HiLoad EV Cargo really shines. It is powered by a 12.4 kWh lithium-ion battery pack paired with an advanced electric motor, delivering peak torque instantly for quick acceleration even when fully loaded. The Cargo EV offers a certified range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it practical for last-mile deliveries and urban logistics. Its payload capacity is around 688 kilograms, which is the highest in its segment. The vehicle also supports fast charging, allowing it to be charged from 0 to 100% in about 3.5 to 4 hours. With its strong suspension and robust chassis, it can handle rough city roads with confidence while maintaining stability under heavy loads. Safety features. Euler has equipped the HiLoad EV Cargo with several important safety features. The regenerative braking system not only improves energy efficiency but also provides better braking control. The vehicle comes with hydraulic brakes for reliable stopping power, even when fully loaded. Its low center of gravity ensures better stability, reducing the risk of tipping. The digital cluster alerts drivers about battery health, overheating, and other potential issues to prevent breakdowns. The body construction is reinforced for durability and passenger safety, while bright headlamps and reflectors improve nighttime visibility. Unique selling points. The HiLoad EV Cargo stands out for multiple reasons. Firstly, its highest-in-class payload capacity makes it a game-changer in the electric cargo rickshaw segment. Secondly, its 150 km range on a single charge ensures fewer interruptions and more productivity for operators. Third, its running cost per kilometer is drastically lower compared to petrol, diesel, or CNG cargo vehicles, helping owners save significantly on fuel expenses. On top of that, the HiLoad EV Cargo is designed with sustainability in mind, offering zero tailpipe emissions and helping cities reduce pollution levels. Lastly, Euler provides strong after-sales support and connectivity features through its smart telematics system. Price. As of 2025, the Euler HiLoad EV Cargo is priced between 3.5 Indian rupees to 3 Indian rupees. 8 lakhs, ex-showroom, India. While the upfront cost is slightly higher than a conventional cargo rickshaw, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance make it a much more cost-effective choice for businesses. Additionally, various government subsidies and EV incentives can further reduce the effective price, making it an attractive investment. The 2025 Euler HiLoad EV Cargo is a revolutionary step forward in the commercial EV segment. With its modern design, practical interiors, excellent payload capacity, long range, and focus on safety, it is tailor-made for urban logistics and last-mile delivery operators. Though the initial price may be higher, the low operating costs and government incentives make it a highly profitable option for long-term use. If you're a business owner or fleet operator looking to reduce expenses and contribute to a cleaner environment, the HiLoad EV Cargo deserves serious consideration. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driven Vision for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles.